Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ in brotherhood.
Mr. DG, we are so happy to be here, and thank you for having us. I have this great privilege to introduce the management of Aerosky Technology Limited. With us, we have Mr. Son Peng, representing the chairman of Aerosky Nigeria Limited. And we have Mr. Michael Abisayo Ajibe, is the MD of Aerosky Technology Limited. And we have our PR manager, Mr. Taiwo Bilawale, and myself. I'm the MDC of ClickConnect Networks, and I'm the facilitator. Thank you very much for having us.
Yes, my name is Michael Abisayo Ajibe. I'm the managing director for Aerosky Technologies Limited. I'd like to appreciate you all for being here today and for receiving us kindly. I'd also like to especially appreciate the Director General of NBTI for showing such interest in us, especially in this early stage. So we'd like to say thank you, sir. So if you direct your attention to the presentation that we have here for you, the title of our PowerPoint is Strategic Partnership and Drone Capabilities for the Nigerian Market. With a brief overview of our company, I'd like to talk about what we are and what we do and how we started. So Aerosky Technology Limited, we are a drone or UAV manufacturing and assembly company. So UAV stands for unmanned aerial vehicle. So that would be any type of aircraft that you don't have to manually be inside or manually pilot. Our mission to innovate area excellence across industries and deliver cutting-edge drone solutions. Our vision: empower sectors like agriculture, security, infrastructure, and through technology. Yeah, so Aerosky, I think one of the driving factors behind Aerosky has been is the quick adaptation of this drone technology in sectors worldwide. For example, anywhere else you go in the world, you see that this technology is being adopted in various sectors. You see it being used in agriculture, you see it being used in surveillance, you see it being used in mining. However, here in Nigeria, it appears that we've fallen short, or we've fallen behind is an understatement. So it is also the mission of Aerosky to bring this technology into Nigeria, to domicile it here, to domesticate it here, and to make it our own. And not only that, but to also improve upon it and to innovate in our own right. We at Aerosky, we have our own e-commerce platform for which we'll be selling drones, we'll be selling various drones. But we've recognized that for us to be able to really break into the market, that we need to strategically place ourselves in such a way where we are well positioned to be a good competitor to some of the other brands, or some of the other top brands in Nigeria, not only in Nigeria but in Africa and the rest of the world. Let's talk about our competitive advantage. Our proposed local assembly model lowers import duties and shipping costs, positioning us to offer better prices than foreign competitors while supporting Nigerian job creation. Nigerian consumers prioritize affordability and value for money, creating an edge for well-priced, high-performance drones. And that's where we believe that we can come in and fill in the void, because we are very confident in our drones. So, talking about that shortly, our drone capabilities and product portfolio. So we are going to just look at some of the products that we have that are going to be offering, or our proposed portfolio that we have going forward. Entry-level drones. So these are affordable, beginner-friendly drones, perfect for casual photography, videography, and recreational use, ideal for first-time users and everyday content creators. Here at Aerosky, we are trying to show that drones have a lot of applications, which can be used a wide array of applications. Our specialty. Right. High-performance drones built for industrial applications, professional filmmaking, security, and asset inspection. equipped with advanced flight features and built for reliability. So these drones, these are what we specialize in. At Nigeria, we've fallen behind in a lot of these, in a lot of the applications that we could be using drones for in Nigeria. But that is where Aerosky comes in, right? We see the void, and that is where we take our opportunity from. We see that we can bring these drones over here to Nigeria, we can customize them, we can create custom solutions for our unique problems that we have here in Nigeria, and that is our goal as Aerosky Technology. We want to employ local people, locals, right? We want to employ Nigerians to both manufacture the drones, to design the drones, and to deploy the drones with Nigerians. Our raw material based production capacity. That is us being able to take maybe iron and turn that into drones, us being able to develop our own drones from scratch without having to rely on anyone. So we really expect and anticipate that will begin later this year. Knowledge and R&D transfer. So this is the main part where we develop the capacity to on our own innovate and create drone technology that will solve specific issues for us in Nigeria. We appreciate NBTI's interest in us and in helping us branch out and begin our business. We aim to leverage NBTI's network and existing presence to establish early traction. So for our to begin manufacturing, to begin our startup projects, we like to leverage NBTI to be able to fly commercial and industrial drones in Nigeria. You need several permits, several approvals, several licenses from the federal government. And we trust that NBTI is in a good position to help us acquire everything that we need in that aspect. Lower production costs through shared infrastructure. So lower production costs also results in lower costs for drones. So that will mean Nigerians will be able to access and buy industry standard drones at a fraction of the cost. And we have faster time to market with local support. So that is for us being able to work with Nigerian infrastructure, Nigerian people. We'll be able to push our projects faster and earlier. Partnering with NBTI, it gives us more credibility, and people will be more willing to partner with us if they know that we are in turn partnered with the Nigerian government. Let me first of all commend the Aerosky for this beautiful solution, beautiful presentation too, and the mastery of the presentation. I want to assure you that you are in the right place. Reason being that very soon Nigeria will be talking about local content in most of the things that we do. Partnering with NBTI, there are quite a lot of things that we can do together. Let me be honest with you. Starting from the licensing, the approval you made mention, and then I think the third one about the permits. Create employment for our people, and it will help in terms of various application areas which you mentioned. So let's first of all look at that. Our role should go beyond the idea of whatever business you do. Today, we have drones everywhere, but these are all imported drones. But the difference here is that we want to start manufacturing it here, and part of the raw materials we are going to use, some of them, I'm not saying all, will be sourced from here. Technology has gone beyond that I need to physically present in my farm or in a certain area before I know what is going on there. Technology has gone beyond that. We know we have a lot of application areas. The beauty of it is that there is no drone that you are manufacturing in Nigeria that you will not get business for it. Starting from security that we are talking about. So one good thing again I like about your solution is that you have what I can describe as the call on the move, because I will see that bus in terms of the communication. That's communication on the move that you can easily use. We must be sure that whatever we are doing can pass integrity test. Can pass integrity test 100%. Okay, he has shown us the video in China. Yes, beautiful. Can we have similar thing in Nigeria? Can we work similar way in Nigeria? That will not say, oh, maybe because of whether because of this, because no. So I wouldn't want it to that no, this is made for Africa or this is made for Europe. Whatever that is made for Europe and America must be made for Nigeria and Africa. They control right from the gas station. Okay, because you leave gas station for later, you have all the solution in place. So by the time we get approvals, a lot of things they will ask us is the areas by which we believe all these things will be useful to us. Of course, the first thing anybody will ask is the security. If food security is spoke about, it's another good area. The power that people are sabotaging the effort of government, it's another area. If we can do those things and at minimal cost. If whatever armor they are buying drones from abroad, our home, we can have it and it has same functionality. Nigeria just joined the BRICS nation, of which China is a component part of BRICS. So it's not out of place as if we are partnering with China in this drone technology because we're already collaborating. Nigeria is already collaborating with China from time immemorial, and now that we are part of BRICS, Nigeria too want to be one of the industrialized nations in the world. So the thing is that when it comes to security, no country will joke with security. So anything we are deploying must be something that we can beat our chest and say, yes, this is a solution. I can assure you that there is market in Nigeria. And with NBTI as a government agency, no matter the number of drones that we are able to manufacture, that will not have market for it. I can assure you that what we came for is something that of interest to us, and it will be of interest to Mr. President, because Mr. President has said technology will drive his government, and that's why he wants to blow water from the dry well through technology. So with that technology, we'll be able to take a lot of people out of unemployment market back to the employment market. Because with this, a lot of people will be given employment, whether in terms of software, in terms of the hardware, in terms of all the application areas. I welcome you most sincerely for this opportunity. I will be willing and ready to partner with you. Thank you.
You are most welcome to NBTI. The product you want to use is something that we are ready to partner with based on your technology. So, what do you think? How do you feel? Very happy. Very happy for the reception. So, our partnership with NBTI. Thank you so much. All right.